All right, I hope you were able to finish that one. Okay, oops, I dropped the phone. All right, so here we are. Rename each length in meters. All right, all we're doing is we're just gonna move the decimal point, and depending on where it is on the, on this is where we move the decimal point, okay? And that's why these are so important to know, because that's how we move the decimal point, okay? So let's see, here we are. I'll do number 7. So then you'll know how to do number 8. It says rename each length in meters. So if I have 178 centimeters right here, I'm gonna erase this. 178 centimeters, and I want to go to meters. I want to go this way to meters. How many meters is 178 centimeters? Well, let's see. I'm going to move this. The decimal point's always at the end of the number, and I'm going to move it 1, 2 places. Okay, so I'm going to move it 1, 2 places. That's 1.78 meters. 178 centimeters is 1.78 meters. Okay. Now, when you do kilogram, 2.4 kilograms is going to be way up here, and you're going to have to move the decimal point over this way down to meters. Okay. Now, on this one, rename 2,900 grams as directed. We're going to change it to kilograms. Well, let's see how many times are we going to move it for grams to kilograms. We're going to move the decimal point 1, 2, 3 places. Okay, well, if it's right here, let's move it 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So that would be 2.9 kilograms. Okay, you're just moving the decimal point over. What about this? What about milligrams? Okay, milligrams. Grams to milligrams. Let's count. 1, 2, 3 this way. Okay, we're going to go to the right. 3. Where am I at? Even here we go. We're going to go 3. So we're going to add 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. And that would be a larger number, which makes sense because milligrams is smaller than grams, so there's going to be more milligrams than grams. Okay, so I hope this is kind of starting to make sense. Now it says rename each length in centimeters. All right, so if we have 3.75 meters, let's look at our little sheet here. We're going meters to centimeters. How many times do we move? Let's see. 1, 2. We move the decimal point over 2 times to the right. Okay, so here we're moving this 2 times to the right. 1, 2. And we're going to rename it in centimeters. 3.75 meters equals 375 centimeters. Okay? And now this way we go to kilometers, and then we go the other way. We move the decimal point the other way. Meters to kilometers, we're going to move the decimal point over 1, 2, 3. All right, so we're right here. We're going to move it over 3. 1, 2, 3. So it's 0.908 meters. Okay, that's all we're having to do when you convert up and down the ladder is you're just moving the decimal point over. You're not multiplying, you're not adding or dividing, you're just moving the decimal point. Okay, so here rename each capacity in milliliters. Same thing. We have the well, let's see, 20. You have the centiliters, 4.7 centiliters, and you're moving it over to milliliters. Centa to milla is one place to the right. Okay, so that's all you have to do is just move it one place to the right. Okay, so that's how you do that section.